Hello there and welcome to Your Next Car UK. It's James here bringing a video on a BMW 335 diesel in 2019 now. So happy new year everyone. Let's start off with the standard walk around the outside of the car whilst I talk to you some of the tech and options which this vehicle has an absolute wide array of. Of course we've got the Your Next Car Performance Pack on this vehicle, which is all fitted in-house here at Your Next Car, the home of the performance BMW. Of course we've got the beautiful LED headlamps there which you can see in operation. Moving round to the side of the car, we have got the 19-inch LA MSport alloys. Behind them stunning 19-inch alloys, we also benefit from the MSport Plus pack on this vehicle, which we inherit the much larger brake calipers as well as them being painted in the Estral blue. Really added bonus of the stopping power, which you will want on the, of course, having the 335 diesel engine up front, you will want the added stopping power there. Inside the car, we've got a beautiful black Dakota leather, which is in really great condition. This is another really low mileage example. It has only covered 9,800 miles. It's got the power folding mirrors, which I'll show you in just a moment. We've got the Harman Kardon surround sound system with Logic 7. On the back windows we've got the privacy glass for that executive as well as a little bit of security. We also have the split folding seats, which is a rare option on the 3 Series saloons. As I say, it is an optional extra, which is generally quite rare to find. Very nice feature to have. Moving around into the boot, if you've not yet seen the boot space on the 3 Series saloon, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with just how large and deep it is. Of course, you have the added bonus of this being able to split fold the seats. Rear performance boot spoiler and rear diffuser as well. Being a 66 reg, it is of course covered by the manufacturer's warranty still. Another added bonus of the 66 reg is it does inherit the newer facelifted iDrive with a few new added features into that, which we will demonstrate and get into in just a moment. Of course, here at Your Next Car, we are able to offer you some outstanding finance packages if they are required, with such established lenders with MotoNovo Finance, Alphera and Santander as well. If you've not yet checked out our website, go over there and you'll be able to either apply for finance. There is also a full guide with our finance packages and rates. And as I say, you can apply directly through the website, or of course give us a call for more information and then go ahead with an application as well. Or of course that can be done in-house. Okay, so let's get on inside into the interior features and options we have on this beautiful 335. Starting the car up, of course we've got the heated leather seats in the front. We've got your professional sat-nav and media. It's got a full Bluetooth for media and communications. It's got full DAB as well as a wide array of multimedia inputs like the music collection, AUX and USB. It's got the superb 8-speed sport gearbox with paddle shift, cruise control, voice recognition and voice activation, which I'm going to try and demonstrate for you in just a moment. It's got the high beam assist, and there we have the odometer reading. There you go. It's covered 9875, so that is a very low mileage example, especially for a 325 diesel. Demonstrate the power fold mirrors for you. Another rare option is the rear reversing camera. We also have wireless charging in the centre armrest. Of course that does apply to only certain models and makes of phones, so do check that out. However, it does work on generally most of the phones we have tried in the office here at Your Next Car. It's all Apple and a few Samsung phones as well. Okay, so a few new features with connected drive and the new iDrive as well. So,
close brackets.
If I click back here and I'll use the voice input.
Please start speaking after the tone.
Your next car.
Your next car
There we
was
have it.
selected. Please continue using manual control.
What that allows me to do is basically do a Google search on the go. Very useful if you want to locate service stations or restaurants, etc. It'll basically give you where they are on the map. You can click straight away and it'll take you there, or it'll give you the contact telephone numbers and also, of course, opening hours as well. This vehicle is also equipped with internet hotspot. Doing so, it uses your 4G connection via your mobile phone, so you can basically use this screen here to do anything you can do off your mobile phone. So that's obviously streaming stuff off the internet, YouTube, other things, basically all done onto that screen there. Very useful feature for when you're parked up. Okay, that's going to be just about it from me here on the 335 Diesel Saloon. Quite a lot to get through on this video. I know it was a bit of a lengthy one, however there is an absolute wide array of features and options on this stunning car, and I wanted to try and get them all in as best as possible. Okay guys, any further information please do give us a call on 0115 822 9431. Alternatively, you can drop us an email at yournextcar@icloud.com, and we'll hope to see you very soon. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, take care.